This short video will demonstrate the steps to install the Pure Lighting Verge Door Frame system. Step 1A. Begin by marking a cutting path around door frame, offset by 4 1/8 inches. Use a jab saw or other tool to cut out a section of drywall along the marked cutting path. Step 1B. Before doing any electrical wiring, always ensure the power is turned off at the breaker panel. Mount the remote power supply in an accessible area nearby, for example, in a closet or inside a cabinet. Consult the wiring diagram included with the remote power supply to connect it to the main power. Reference the wiring diagram included with your installation instructions to connect either a standard switch or, if desired, a compatible dimmer. Secure a small section of wood bracing to the junction box for mounting behind the drywall. Route low-voltage power wires from the remote power supply to the junction box. Place the junction box to the drywall by securing the wood bracing using drywall screws. Place wood bracing behind the cutout area as required to support installation. Step 2A. Measure the cutout area. This will be used to cut the backer plate and Verge Door Frame channel to length. Cut out a small section of the backer plate where the junction box will be located to allow electrical access. Cut the backer plate to length using the measurements from previous steps. Place the Verge Door Frame lens into the channel before cutting. To ensure a good fit, cut the Verge Door Frame channel and lens at the same time. Miter cut the Verge Door Frame channel and lens at one end of each channel section to match the corner installation. Drill and countersink guide holes into the backer plate within 1/8 inch of the straight outside edge. Drill and countersink guide holes into the mounting flange of the channel. Install the backer plate to the drywall cutout area and secure in place using drywall screws. Plaster seams where the backer plate sections meet to ensure a uniform surface. Sand the plastered backer plate seams to prepare for painting. Before painting, apply contractor's tape around the door frame. Splice the included power feed cable to the low-voltage power wires using wire nuts. Place all electrical connections into the junction box. Step 3A. Restore power to the junction box to test the LEDs. When connecting LED soft strip to the power feed cable, it is important to align the +24 VDC marking on the soft strip with the red wires of the power feed cable. Step 3B. Paint the backer plate prior to installing the Verge Door Frame channel. Install the channel, secure using drywall screws. Make sure each screw head is flush with the channel surface before continuing. Plaster, sand, and paint the installation. Clean the inner channel area with a soft cloth to remove dust and debris that may interfere with installation of the LED soft strip. Step 4A. Inspect the soft strip for any irregularities before continuing the installation. Begin installing by removing a small section of the paper backing from the strip. It is important that when installing the LEDs, no tools or hard instruments are used that may cause damage. Only use fingers to install the soft strip. Pull back a few inches of the paper backing from the soft strip. Gently press the adhesive backing of the soft strip into the channel while continuing to remove the paper backing. Continue installing the soft strip following the entire path of the Verge channel. Trim any excess LEDs along the dashed cutting lines. It is important only trim the soft strip at these lines. Step 4B. Press the lens into the channel, making sure that it is fully seated. Pure Lighting. Let the drywall be your canvas.